Hello, I'm with IronHorse Portable Power. We wanted to produce a video for our customers with the IronHorses and the sales reps that are training and selling our IronHorses to their customers. The first step that we're going to show you guys is the unboxing of the IronHorse. We want to go through a step-by-step process on when you receive the IronHorse. The first step obviously is to open the box up. The manuals are on the inside of the IronHorse. We encourage everybody to read those from cover to cover before you use your IronHorse. So we have them packaged in here in styrofoam packaging. It comes with a boxed charging cable that you plug into the wall included. So set that here. Pull out your IronHorse unit. We have the plastic around it. You're going to take that off, obviously. And bear with me here. Go ahead and take your IronHorse out. Now, generally these come 30 to 40% charged. So just like any and most electronic devices, you're going to need to plug it into the wall to get a full charge before you use the IronHorse, and we encourage that. Charge it to 100%. We'll show you how to do that before you use your IronHorse. I want to go through some of the functions on the IronHorse. The cables are in the back of the unit. That has a cycle button in the back. We'll go through all the uses on it. The front LCD screen is up here with the start button up here to start the whole process. We have a cigarette lighter adapter charging port up here if you want to charge things off of this. We also have two USBs right here if you want to charge your phones and electronic devices, laptops, things like that on the front of the IronHorse. We have two flashlights, one up in the front and one up in the back, or one in the back on the IronHorse. So when you're out, it's not always an ideal time when you're doing charging and jumping. If you're out at night and need some light, you can use those features.